What's going on, everybody? So pretty much today, since I swapped out the intake and the exhaust, and then because this car is from St. Louis, I'm getting the vehicle retuned by the same guy who initially did the tune, which is Nick Dixon out of Tennessee with FinalTuned. And so I did map 1 the way that he wanted. I did map 2 just now. I went and ran it, and holy crap, let me tell you right now, that shit, this damn car, from 3500 in 3rd gear to wherever it was shifting at with wide open throttle, my god, this thing is fucking screaming, like no joke, hauling freaking ass. It's hot out, so let me go ahead and I had to buy a laptop, get everything set up so that we can adjust all this shit on the fly. But I'm gonna go ahead and go through the whole tuning process. No, we don't want to do any updates. It opens up all this crap right here. Go to tools, detect vehicle. Got it. All right, we're gonna open up our files. Our tune. Go to tune 3. Which one should be this one? Verify. Tune for map 3. Okay. Program ECU. Just let it go through its functions. We turning off the car and on the car and doing all the little steps that it says to do. Earlier when I did this, it freaking killed the battery and shit, so it was a pain in the butt. But now that I kind of got the hang of it, I don't want to jinx it, but I kind of got the hang of it. The last time I did it for map 2, it went pretty quick. Like I was saying, when I did that pull in map 2, it was freaking hauling butt, man. So we'll see map 3 right now, which is 950. So we'll see what this thing pulls like. Turn ignition to off. It says it should take 10 seconds. Then it's gonna tell me to turn it back on. All of this, see, it's telling me to turn it back on. All of this without pressing the brake. So you're just going in the on position. And it's doing all its recomputing. Do you want to clear all these? You want to clear all the codes? Yes, you want to clear your codes. Turn switch to off. I think it should be good on this one. Now it says wait 15 seconds. And it's a nice day out too. It's only like, I want to say like 68 degrees. So it's nice and fresh out. Okay, turn it back on. Okay. Sequence complete. So we are done. I'll go ahead, okay. Close out all my tabs. Close out everything. Remove my cables. And we're gonna start the car. So now I'll go run the car. Before I get to that straightaway stretch, I'll switch it over to map 3. Once I get into 3rd gear from 3,500 RPMs, as long as I'm in race mode, in R mode and all these except for the traction control, it'll shift on its own. So I need to go from third gear, 3,500, all the way until it shifts on its own. And that's what he's calibrating everything off. Let me go talk to my wife real quick, and then we will get back to this. So right here, I'm at the stop sign, right? I have about a half a mile to go to where I get on my straight stretch, but I'm gonna put everything in race mode now so that we're ready to go. Race, on suspension, traction control off. Then I'm gonna go to my app. I gotta go clear my ECM. Then I'm gonna start my logging as well. ECM, or ECU reset, ECU reset. Okay. Now we're gonna go back to here. Switch maps to 3. Went to 3,000 on the RPM gauge. Back down. Switch over to manual. We were ready to go. Well, let me start my log. My bad. Data logging. start. Alright. Let me let this. Turn my air conditioner off as well. Okay, this guy's turning. That's why I don't want to put the camera this way. Too many people get in trouble via YouTube for shit like this, but oh my lord. Oh. Put it back, and then turn my AC back on. Of it, it has this little share icon, and if you don't have your tuner uploaded into it, it's fine, because you can go to other, and then you can just go to email, and then you can just send the file as an email. All right, so currently right now I'm uploading the map for map 4. My ethanol content is 68 to 70 right now, so I'm not gonna actually go run it, but I'm gonna load it so that it's in the system. I believe this weekend we're going to try to go to San Antonio and actually go to VP and get a couple cans of that 110, mix it in here, and then we'll do the data logs and stuff then. But as for right now, I don't want to risk anything running on such a low content. So 1 through 3 is pretty much tuned. 3, I would be able to get even more power out of it if my E content was higher, you know, but as for right now, that's kind of all I got. So I'm satisfied. I think the car's running badass. Like I said, I'm just uploading the 4th tune right now. You want to delete all the codes? Yes. And that's it, man. So I appreciate everybody. Like I said, this is something new to me, but I find it very, very interesting, and it's good to understand it because we only did it once. And so 2, 3, and 4 I've kind of all done on my own. He's like, hey, just do it the way that you did the first time. So I'm like, oh shit. But not too bad, not too complicated. Now I'm not adjusting map or none of that stuff, but I'm just updating the programs in the ECU, saving the files and moving things over. So pretty cool. But I cannot wait till I can get that fucking shit up to 80 to 85 so that we can get some pop out of this bad boy and run that map 4 just at least for a data log for him so that the tuners got it. So completely done. Okay, that's it, man. I'm just gonna go ahead and start up the car, let everything run, and then I'm gonna go park it. But I appreciate everybody. You guys take care. Stay tuned for that map 4, man. When we go get that freaking 85, we're gonna record it ripping.